Welcome back to Tech Vibe. The sub 250-gram drone category has historically been defined by compromise. As a pilot, you inherently accept that to maintain a lightweight, travel-friendly footprint, you must sacrifice sensor size, advanced optics, and professional-level flight times. But the upcoming DJI Mini 6 Pro is positioned to completely shatter that long-standing compromise. Based on the latest authentic factory leaks, supply chain data, and hardware blueprints, DJI is not just preparing an iterative update, they are engineering a generational leap that brings flagship, cinema-grade technology into a chassis that fits in the palm of your hand. If you are a professional aerial cinematographer, a Part 107 pilot, or a high-end travel creator in the US or premium international markets, this is the technological shift you have been waiting for. Let us begin with the most significant disruption, the imaging system. For years, the Mini series has hovered around smaller sensor sizes, producing excellent, yet fundamentally consumer-tier imagery. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is reportedly integrating a massive 1-inch stacked CMOS Titan sensor. The keyword here is stacked. Unlike traditional sensors, a stacked design drastically increases data readout speeds, which virtually eliminates the dreaded rolling shutter effect, the ugly jello-like distortion you see when panning quickly or tracking fast-moving subjects. But the sensor size alone is only half the story. The Mini 6 Pro is slated to introduce 6K video recording at up to 60 frames per second. For content creators, capturing in true 6K resolution provides an unprecedented advantage in post-production. It allows you to punch in, reframe your shots, and stabilize footage in your editing timeline while still delivering a pristine, razor-sharp 4K master file to your clients or your audience. Furthermore, we need to dive deeper into the reality of managing 6K footage. A major concern for creators is thermal throttling. Processing millions of pixels per second generates immense heat. To combat this, the Mini 6 Pro's chassis reportedly integrates a passive, flow-through aerodynamic cooling vent system that channels incoming air directly over the image processor and sensor heatsink. This ensures that even when you are shooting highly demanding 6K files at 60 frames per second, the drone will not overheat and terminate your recording mid-flight. When you bring those massive files into your editing software, the color grading flexibility will be extraordinary. The 10-bit color profile combined with the 1-inch stack sensor will allow you to aggressively manipulate colors, recover blown-out skies, and push shadow details without introducing aggressive digital noise or color banding. This transforms the Mini 6 Pro from a simple social media content creator tool into a legitimate B camera for high-end television and commercial film production sets. Beyond resolution, DJI is addressing the biggest workflow bottleneck for solo drone operators: exposure control. Previous generations of the Mini series featured a fixed aperture, meaning the only way to manage your shutter speed in bright daylight was to manually attach neutral density filters. If the clouds rolled in, you had to land the drone, swap the filter, and take off again, often losing the perfect lighting moment. The Mini 6 Pro is bringing a mechanical variable aperture to the sub 250-gram class, reportedly ranging from f1.7 to f11. This is a monumental upgrade. It allows you to adjust your exposure dynamically from the remote controller while the drone is miles away in the air. You can lock in your cinematic shutter speed and let the variable aperture adapt to changing light conditions seamlessly. This feature alone bridges the gap between the ultralight Mini series and the heavy-duty DJI Air series. Now, let us discuss flight intelligence and safety. Obstacle avoidance on compact drones has always relied on vision-based optical sensors. While effective in bright daylight, vision sensors become practically blind in low-light scenarios, at dusk, or in heavily shadowed environments like dense forests. To solve this, the Mini 6 Pro is rumored to feature a miniaturized Nightscape LiDAR system. LiDAR utilizes laser pulses to instantly map the surrounding environment in 3 dimensions, regardless of the ambient lighting. This means the Mini 6 Pro will possess true omnidirectional spatial awareness, allowing it to navigate complex, tight spaces and avoid invisible hazards like thin branches or power lines, even in the dark. Paired with this hardware is a new predictive active track AI engine. Instead of merely following a subject, the neural processing on the Mini 6 Pro will anticipate the subject's trajectory. If you are tracking a vehicle that disappears behind a building or a line of trees, the AI will calculate its speed and direction, reacquiring the lock the moment it emerges on the other side. This guarantees smooth, uninterrupted tracking shots without the erratic camera hunting that plagues older models. Powering this massive array of technology requires an entirely new approach to energy density. Traditional lithium-ion batteries have hit a physical limit in terms of how much power they can store within a specific weight footprint. To keep the Mini 6 Pro under the critical 249-gram threshold, DJI is reportedly implementing next-generation silicon anode battery chemistry. This high-density technology drastically reduces battery weight while significantly increasing capacity. The leaks point to an astonishing maximum flight time of up to 60 minutes on a single charge. Even when accounting for real-world conditions, wind resistance, and aggressive flying, operators can realistically expect a solid 45 to 50 minutes of reliable airtime. Staying under the 249-gram weight limit is not just a marketing feature, it is an absolute operational necessity. In the United States, it allows recreational pilots to bypass stringent FAA remote ID and registration requirements, and in regions across Europe and the UK, it provides regulatory freedom to fly closer to people and urban structures where heavier drones are strictly banned. Additionally, to accommodate these advanced internals without tipping the scales past 249 grams, DJI is allegedly utilizing aerospace-grade composite materials for the drone's structural chassis. This material swap not only shaves off crucial grams to make room for the heavier glass optics and LiDAR module but also drastically improves the drone's torsional rigidity. A stiffer airframe translates directly into better wind resistance. By reinforcing the airframe and utilizing newly designed, high-efficiency swept propellers, the Mini 6 Pro is projected to handle extreme wind conditions with the unyielding stability typically reserved for much heavier, enterprise-level aircraft. This means coastal shoots, mountain ridge tracking, and high-altitude architectural surveys will remain completely viable, regardless of turbulent weather systems. Furthermore, getting that high bitrate 6K video feed back to your controller requires a flawless transmission engine. The Mini 6 Pro is expected to debut the DJI O5 transmission system. Urban environments are highly congested with Wi-Fi and cellular interference, which can easily sever a drone's video feed. The O5 architecture utilizes enhanced frequency hopping and highly targeted signal amplifiers to punch through electromagnetic interference. This ensures a low-latency, crystal-clear feed to your controller screen, giving you the confidence to execute complex maneuvers in dense cityscapes or over long stretches of open water without the fear of signal degradation. As for the release timeline and pricing, bringing this level of flagship technology to a micro-drone will inevitably shift its market position. We expect the DJI Mini 6 Pro to launch in late 2026 or early 2027, positioned as a premium professional tool rather than an entry-level consumer product. The price will reflect the inclusion of the 1-inch stack sensor, the mechanical aperture, and the LiDAR system, likely pushing it higher into the premium pricing tier. However, for professionals who require top-tier optical performance without the heavy, cumbersome footprint of a traditional cinema drone, the return on investment will be undeniable. The DJI Mini 6 Pro is not just setting a new standard, it is completely redefining what is physically possible within the ultra-lightweight drone category. It takes the excuses out of aerial filmmaking, providing you with every tool necessary to capture flawless, high-end commercial footage anywhere in the world. We want to hear from you. Will the leap to a 1-inch sensor and variable low aperture finally make you upgrade your current setup, or is the expected premium price tag a deal breaker? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you for joining us here at Tech Vibe. If you found this deep dive valuable and want to stay ahead of the curve on the most critical technology releases, ensure you are subscribed to the channel with notifications turned on. We deliver the definitive, authoritative insights you need to make the smartest gear decisions. Until next time, keep innovating and fly safe.